When you read lots of books about doing deals, and in fact, when you do some of the training courses out there, or an MBA or something like that about how to buy and sell companies, one of the things that comes up again and again and again is about having a deal team, and they almost make it like it's something you have to do before you get started. You know, find all these professionals that you surround yourself with, the accountants and the lawyers and the corporate finance people and all of this sort of stuff, that you build up this big team around you. Well, the challenge is when you're buying an owner-managed business, you're dealing with a single person, and they might surround themselves with advisors as well, but ultimately it comes down to, the deal is done between those two people, and everybody else around that transaction, they're normally fee takers. They're paid by the hour. So in economics, there's a basic law of incentives, and the law of incentives is you kind of get what you pay for. So if you're paying for hours, you're going to get lots and lots of hours. So there's a tension between what you're trying to achieve and what you're incentivizing. I wouldn't surround yourself with lots of advisors. I would try and keep it whittled down to you and the seller all of the time, and only bring in advisors to sign things off, tick things off, complete legal agreements under strict instructions. Don't let them get involved in the negotiation. They will want to get involved in the negotiation because it's like an open checkbook to them, but do not let them anywhere near that relationship. And in fact, if the other side keeps putting advisors in front of you, refuse to deal with them. Just communicate directly with the owner. Ignore any emails from any other extraneous parties who might contact you, write to you, or reach out to you. Only deal with the principal, and be belligerent about that, because it will all start to fall apart as soon as they try and put these advisors in between you and the person that you're trying to get the deal done with. And if it's not working, walk away. There's plenty more fish in the sea. Go and find another deal, because life is too short. So, having all these people in a transaction, I describe it as the bugger's muddle. It's just an awesome way of stifling a deal and stopping things from happening and creating loads of obstacles where actually there weren't any in the beginning. All you've done is made your life significantly harder for absolutely no reason.